आज फिर लेट हो गया भाई मैथ्स बनाने में। अपनी गलती कारण ही, क्योंकि सुबह उठा, सुबह टाइम से उठ गया था 6:30 बजे। थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज किया, आया यहाँ पे पढ़ने। फिर वो सब देखने लग गया कि बेसल सीड्स के क्या फ़ायदे होते हैं। व्हाट्सएप में ग्रुप बनाने लग गया। 2 ग्रुप बनाए आज, एक फिज़िक वाला और एक फिटनेस वाला। उसमें इंस्टाग्राम में से रील देख देख के सेव कर रहा था, टाइम पास कर रहा था बेसिकली, कि इन फ्यूचर मैं क्या करूँगा। साला प्रेजेंट का कुछ हो नहीं रहा, फ्यूचर का सोच के घूम रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं वही सोच रहा था अभी बैठे बैठे, यार कंट्रोल में क्यों नहीं रह रहा यार दिमाग। मतलब इतने हद तक मैं कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ, लेकिन ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें स्लिप हो जाती हैं। कुछ करना पड़ेगा यार। ऐसे टाइम आज भी 11:15 हो गया यार मैथ्स बनाते बनाते। 7:30 बजे से बनाता, 4 घंटे तक अभी मैथ्स बना लिया होता, ये PDF ख़त्म हो गया होता पूरा। क्या कर रहा भाई तू? भाई ऐसे तो घंटा कुछ नहीं करता जीवन में। क्या करेंगे यार ऐसे? क्या करूँ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा। पता नहीं सारा क्यों हो गया ऐसा दिमाग। ऐसे नहीं चलेगा भाई, ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलेगा। मतलब अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही मैं, थोड़ी देर पहले ही ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ किया कि भाई जानवर जानवर जैसी हरकतें कर रहा हूँ। जानवर क्या करते हैं, वो कुछ सोचते साचते नहीं हैं। जैसा काम उनको इंस्टिंक्ट्स बोलती हैं, उनकी जो उनकी इंस्टिंक्ट्स बोलती हैं वो काम वो करते हैं। भूख लग रही है खाना खा लेंगे, प्यास लग रही है पानी पी लेंगे, कुछ देखा हो तो उधर चले जाएंगे, कोई कुत्ता आ गया तो उधर भौंकने चले जाएंगे, कोई बिल्ली आ गई तो उसके पीछे दौड़ जाएंगे। कुछ मतलब वैसा ही दिमाग हो गया मेरा कुछ हद तक, कि मैं सोच सोच नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि मैं एट द मोमेंट क्या कर रहा हूँ। मैंने एक रील देखनी चालू करी बॉडी बनाने वाली, सब लोग उसमें अलग अलग वो क्या बोलते हैं एक्सरसाइजेस बता रहे थे लोग कि ऐसा करना चाहिए, इसको इसको इस वेरिएशन से करो अच्छा रहेगा। मैं अपने दिमाग में सोच रहा हूँ कि इसको सेव कर लेता हूँ, बाद में जिम में जाऊँगा तो काम आएगा। भाई अभी तो नहीं जा रहा ना जिम। और ये चीज़ मैं उस मोमेंट पे नहीं सोच पा रहा हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि इतना डोपामिन हाई चल रहा है दिमाग में कि मेरा दिमाग उधर जा ही नहीं पा रहा है। बिल्कुल हुक्ड है मेरा दिमाग को। ये भी एक्सरसाइज सेव कर लेता हूँ, ये भी एक्सरसाइज सेव कर लेता हूँ, ये वाला मील सेव कर लेता हूँ, प्रोटीन रिच मील है, ये वाला मील सेव कर लेता हूँ, उससे कोलाजन इंक्रीज़ होता है, इससे बाल बाल अच्छे हो जाते हैं, इससे डाइजेशन अच्छा होता है। क्या क्या मतलब है भाई ये सब चीज़ों का? जैसे ही मोबाइल बंद करो, 5 मिनट शांति से बैठो, दिमाग एकदम लाइन पे आता है, फिर ये सारी चीज़ें हिट करती हैं। मोबाइल को भी बिल्कुल ही बंद नहीं कर सकता। व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस आते हैं, टेलीग्राम पे मैसेजेस आते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे एक आध लोगों से बात होती है, उनको ऐसे छोड़ नहीं सकते, मतलब उनसे कांटेक्ट में रहना ज़रूरी है, बाकी वैसे दोस्त कम मिलते हैं बहुत। लेकिन इंस्टाग्राम हटाना पड़ेगा यार, और कोई चारा है नहीं भाई मेरे पास। इंस्टाग्राम को हटाना पड़ेगा। भाई यूट्यूब भी तो है ना फिर। यूट्यूब में साला कुछ पढ़ने जाओ, नीचे कोई इंटरेस्टिंग सा वीडियो दिख जाता है, उसमें देखने लग जाओ, बस घंटा कहाँ चला के पता ही नहीं चलता। यार पता नहीं। इतनी सारी किताबें खरीद के रखा हूँ, उनको पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा। अभी प्रिंस पढ़ना चालू किया था मैकियावेली की, 30 पेज पढ़ा हूँ बस। उसके आगे टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा पढ़ने का। क्यों? कभी मैथ्स बनाना होता है, कभी हिस्ट्री हिस्ट्री का नोट्स बनाना होता है, कभी उसका नोट्स बनाना होता है, कभी उसको पढ़ना होता है, कभी उसको पढ़ना होता है। बाकी बचा कुछ टाइम जो है इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब इसमें निकल जाता है। और थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम जो बचता है वो काम में निकल जाता है। काम काम करो, काम नहीं करेंगे पैसे कहाँ से कमाएंगे? पैसे नहीं कमाएंगे बहन 27 साल की उम्र में बेरोजगार बैठा आदमी, घर वालों को क्या जवाब देंगे? भाई एक चीज़ तो समझ में आ रही भाई आज कि भाई संसार में कुछ अपना नहीं है, यहाँ तक कि हम खुद अपने नहीं हैं। मेरा दिमाग खुद मेरा नहीं है, साला मेरे अगेंस्ट काम कर रहा है। मेरे अगेंस्ट क्या काम कर रहा है? मुझे एक चीज़ की तरफ धकेलता है और उसी वहीं पे हुक करवा देता है कि नहीं अभी बैठे रहे, अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है। फिर जैसे ही वहाँ से निकलो फिर अचानक फिर रियलाइजेशन होता है, नहीं भाई ये तो गंदा लग रहा है, गंदा लग रहा है, गंदा लग रहा है। अभी कुछ दिन पहले उसकी हेल्दी गेमर की वीडियो देखी थी कि सेल्फ लोडिंग कुछ ऐसे करके वीडियो थी। भाई कतई एक्यूरेट डिपिक्शन किया बंदे ने, जो मेरी हालत हो रखी है अभी। मतलब एम्बिशन इतना ज़्यादा एम्बिशन, और एक छांटू से दिमाग को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे, अपने छोटे छोटे इंस्टिंक्ट्स को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे। यार इतनी बड़ी चीज़ें कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ, गुस्सा कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ, इमोशंस कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ, अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ कि दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से एक चीज़ को 10 पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचने की क्षमता रखता हूँ। लेकिन ये चीज़ कंट्रोल क्यों नहीं हो पा रही? Honestly, it kind of feels like an addiction at this point. I am addicted to dopamine that Instagram gives me, and there is only one way to get rid of it. We have to get rid of Instagram permanently. करना पड़ेगा भाई, करना पड़ेगा। बाहर में गया कॉन्टैक्ट, बाहर में गया कनेक्शन, घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अपनी से भाई सेल्फिश होना पड़ेगा भाई जीवन में, बिना सेल्फिश हुए कुछ नहीं हो रहा। अपने आप को अपने खिलाफ ही सेल्फिश करना पड़ेगा, अपने आप को पनिशमेंट देना पड़ेगा। चलो बाहर में चीज़ें भाई, क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं। 100 से 119 हो गया एडिशनल, मतलब 100 से 112। What percent should she reduce the quantity of petrol purchased? 7 पे 17 और 17 में 100 कितने से जाता है? 17 6 नहीं 17 5 सा 17 5 सा 5 सा हाँ 85 होता है। 85 हो गया तो 15 बच गया, 150 बच गया। 17 इंटू 8 6 और 5 136 5.8 तो नियरेस्ट इंटीजर तो 6 है। प्राइस ऑफ शुगर इंक्रीज बाई 18%, पर्सन वांट्स टू इंक्रीज एक्सपेंडिचर बाई 12% ओनली, यानी कि 6 घटाना है उसको 118 में। तो 100 1 जा 58 3 बाई 59 300 बाई 59 9 5 जा 250 295 5 बचा 0 should decrease to close to 1 decimal point, फिर 0 500 इंटू 095.1 आएगा। Price of sugar has increased by 17%, person wants to increase expenditure by 5% only, यानी कि 12 का घटा करना है इसको 117 में। 100 ओ तेरी ओए 12 कट रहा तो कट तो रहा है 3939 400 बाय 39 इंटू 10 390 बचा 10.0 10.3 नहीं 3 नहीं 10.2 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वॉट परसेंट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली बोला ना भाई फिर तो 10.3 आएगा Price conversion increases by 30% family reduces consumption in such a way the expenditure on it was only 5% more. अच्छा मतलब कि 100 से 123 हो जाता है तो इतना रिड्यूस करते हैं कि एक्सपेंडिचर सिर्फ 5% ज़्यादा है यानी एक्सपेंडिचर 100 से 105 ही हो रहा है. बाय व्हाट परसेंटेज हैज़ द फैमिली रिड्यूस कंजप्शन कमोडिटी कितना इसमें 18 कम किया कितने में 123 में 41 600 बाय 41 1 पॉइंट समथिंग ना मतलब 1 वही 41 बचा कितना 19 190 5 नहीं हो सकता 4 16 164 बचा कितना 26 26 फिर 0 14.260 6 7 नहीं हो सकता 14.6%. इतना कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है भाई यहीं से अंदाज़ा लग रहा था. द प्राइस ऑफ राइस इंक्रीजेस बाय 25% पर्सन. तो एक और चीज़ भाई रियलाइज़ हुई अब से इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा मैं. इंग्लिश भाई तेरे को सीखनी पड़ेगी कुछ भी कर ले. ये समाज तेरे को बिना अंग्रेजी के स्वीकार नहीं करेगा भले ही तो कितनी भी अच्छी बातें कर ले. इंग्लिश अच्छी करनी है बोलने का तरीका अच्छा करना है अपने आप को आर्टिकुलेट अच्छे से करना है वोकैबुलरी अच्छी करनी है बात का टोन अच्छा करना है गले से बात करनी है गले से सारी चीज़ें सीखनी. तो पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे अंग्रेज़ी से. तो यहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं. इतना शुभ मुहूर्त क्यों निकालना है इसके लिए कि इस टाइम इस दिन से अंग्रेजी शुरू करेंगे उस दिन से अंग्रेजी शुरू करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर टुडे एंड लेट्स सी हाउ बैड आई एम एट इंग्लिश. So what is it saying? When the price of rice increases by 25%, a person increases expenditure on rice only by 15%. अच्छा. Oh no, not अच्छा. Okay. You are absolutely wrong here. Well, I am absolutely right here. The way I am making these questions, it's absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Yeah, वो 100 से oh sorry. So 100 to 125. अंग्रेजी एक्सेंट कहाँ से आ रहा भाई अमेरिकन एक्सेंट 100 to 125 साले. Okay, so 100 to 125 person increases his expenditure on rice only by 15%. So 10 decreased on 125. By what percent should he reduce his consumption? So 10 on 125 to 100 5 4 to 8%. What is the new question saying? When the price of an item was reduced by 20%, its sale increased by X percent. What is X percent? Okay. So when the price reduces by 20%, that means price becomes well, I guess I have to reduce my pride too. So price becomes 5 to 4 and sale increases by 20x%. So okay, so this is price and this is quantity. If there is an increase of 25% in the receipt of the revenue, holy hell, and the value of X is increase, there is an increase in 25% in receipt of the revenue. So what is it trying to say? So there is price that reduces from 5 to 4, and then there is sales increases. Sale increases by X percent. and there is an increase in 25% in receipt. What is receipt? Receipt is price into quantity. What was that? That was absolutely terrifying, bro. Yo. Yo. बैठ कौन है? It sounded like something dropped on the roof. But there is absolutely no way anything can drop on the roof. Because this is the highest room in the entire, highest room in the entire street. And no wind is blowing outside. It's absolutely sunny weather. Bro. Bro, I had doubt. Since the starting, when I entered this house, that it is haunted. भाई बात कर ली यार थोड़ा. तू भी साला अकेला ही रहा था, मैं भी अकेला ही रहा था. बात ही कर ले भाई, थोड़ा कम शेयर कर लेंगे. वैसे भी बहुत चीज़ें पूछनी भाई तेरे से. You know, I always wanted to interact with spirits if they exist. हर चीज में साला पास्ट टेंस क्यों छेड़ देता हूँ मैं? Didn't knew if they existed. हर चीज में पास्ट टेंस. So where were we? Okay, so receipt increases by 25%. Receipt is price into quantity that makes a receipt. So earlier price was 5 and now it is 4, and sale increases by X%. Sale in the sense is quantity, so quantity becomes 100, from 100 to 100 plus X. That's what it tries to drive, that what it is trying to say. Is that right? That is what it is trying to say, or that is what, well, both are basically the same thing. So that is what it is trying to say. Okay, so receipt is 5 into 100, 500 to 4 into 100 plus 4x. That these are receipts, and here it is saying that the difference between these 400 plus 4x minus 5x is 25% in the revenue. 25% in the revenue. Okay. Well, 25% of what? That would be 25% of 500. Yeah. Yes. That would be 25% of 500. 25% of 500. So it comes here. So 400 plus 4x is equals to 100 plus 600. 4x is equals to 200. X is equals to 50. There is absolutely no way that x can be 50. क्योंकि आंसर में नहीं ना भाई. When the price of an item was reduced by 20%, that is 5 to 4, its sale increased by X%, so 100, 200 plus X. If there is an increase of 25% in receipt of the revenue, I will have to look into it. because I have to mark it with red because I do not know how to make it. I cannot create the logic. So logic reminds me that I was about to do logic exercise from last week and there is still no logic exercise. So I will be doing it from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow at night, not at night, but in the evening after 7:30, I will be doing logic exercises, logic building exercises every day. And if I fail, well, if I fail, I fail in life. As simple as that. So still how it is made, how it should be made. No. How should I say this? How it should be made. Yes. So how it should be made. That's let's comprehend that. Okay. So there is an item whose price reduces by 20% and its sale increases by X%. So X% is basically X 200 plus X. If there is an increase of 25% in the receipt of the revenue, so the difference between these mofos, well, not these, actually these mofos, 400 plus 4x, difference between these mofos is 25%. 25% of what? Of what? 25% of this. Yo, bro. I guess I am on to something, but I am missing something also. Something very crucial. We'll come back later. The price of commodities increased by 23%. The family reduced its consumption in such a way that the expenditure on it was only 5% more. Okay. So it becomes 123 from 100 and its expenditure rises to only 5%. Okay. By what percent has the family reduced its consumption? It has reduced it by 18 on 123 cross 100. So it is basically the same. 600 by 41, that is 15.8 something, 14.6, yes, 14.6 or 15.8, 141, 190, 14.6. Basically this is exactly the same question. No worries. Price of pulse increases by 25%. The person initially purchases 60 kg pulse. How many kg of pulse he can purchase now in the same amount? Increases from by 25%. That is 4 to 5. Okay. Initially purchases 60 kg. He initially purchases 60 kg. Yani 15 per kg. Wait a minute. Let's say it is 4 per kg. That is, he used to buy for 15 rupees. Now the price is 5 per kg. And now he will have to buy 60 kg only. That should be 12 rupees. What? 12 rupees? Oh, sorry, that will... what? No, it's not 4 per kg. Well, you know what? Let's just say price is 4 per kg and he buys for 60 kg. So he spends total of 4 into 60. Now his price is 5. 12, 48 kgs. Why are you being so critical of everything? Why can't you just look at things for what they are? Why do you have to overcomplicate everything? It is not that complicated, but you are making it complicated in your mind. Please stop doing it. Please stop doing it. Due to a reduction of 7.5% in the price of sugar, a man is able to buy 2 kg more for rupees 925. 7.5 yani 75 by 100, that is 15 by 20, 200 actually, that is 3 by 40. So price reduced from 40 to 37, and he is able to buy at his price to a 2 kg more for rupees 925. I I know I read it how to solve these questions, but I will have to take a look at it because I forgot, because I am not revising. As simple as that. So it was in the percentage chapter. Here is the percentage. Not aviation. These are SICI. Where is percentage? Oh, this is time and work. Percentage. Oh, percentage is the first chapter. How can I forget that? So where is that question? Price of rice. One kg more. So according to the method that I read, that I studied, it says that if price becomes 40 to 37, quantity should become 37 to 40 in order to compensate the change in fluctuation. In order to compensate the change in price. So what it is saying is that these 3 unit denotes 2 kg. Am I doing it right? Yes, I am doing it right. 3 units, not 2 kg. So original rate would be 925 divided by 37, that is 74 185, that is 25, that is 25 rupees per kg was the original price. And the new price is wait a minute. But I don't know what to do with this. Ayo, no. It means that 37 unit is 2 by 3 into 37. This is the original price, and the new price is 2 by 3 into 40. So what is the reduced price? It is asking for reduced price. Reduced price is 925 divided by 40 into 2 by 3. Wow. That is 8. That is 18. 125. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. 125. 555 divided by 16. 16 3s are 48. 75. 16 4s are 64. 64, that is 11. 110. 16 7s are no 16 6 34.6. Yes, 34.6. So I was right. Again, I have to go back and revise all these things that I have read. And today is Sunday. It was supposed to be my revision day, but I am lagging so far behind in history that right now, these days, I am busy in completing my history. And I guess today I will be able to finish at least the medieval part, and in the next 2 to 3 days I will be able to finish the entire history. And then what? What will you be doing after that? There is economy, there is polity, there is geography, there's a lot of stuff. But since I decided I will be finishing chemistry and physics by 27th or 26th, I guess, I will first focus on physics and chemistry. And biology is not that hard actually. I already have notes on biology. I thought I will be reading more. I thought I will be gathering more knowledge, more intricate knowledge. But I guess I will have to compromise some things because of the stupidity that I have committed in the past few days. So, okay, let's move forward. 30 minutes, only 10 questions. Wow. Because out of 31 minutes, the rest 25 to 20 minutes you were just yapping. Salary of a worker is increased by 12%. First increase, then decrease. So it should be successive. 13 plus 25 minus 12, 13 minus 3, it is 10. It is increase of 10. Hey yo bro, that was successive. Price of Redmi Note decreased by 10% and again reduced 10 plus 10, that is 19. Price of Savlon increased by 20% and increases by 10%, that is 20 plus 10, 33. CBD, what is CBD? Cannot be determined. Okay, cannot be determined. How? Cannot be determined. It is saying clearly that first it increases by 20% and again increases. Oh, wait now a minute. That's a nice line. Wait no minute. Because it combines English and Hindi. Wait no minute. Price of beer shampoo increases by 20% and decreases by 10%. 2010 minus 2, 8. It increases by 12.5%. So 12.5 is 1 by 8. Decreases or increases. So it becomes 8 to 9. And ticket sale increases from 16 by 2. That's it. 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. That is 8.5%. 8.5. That is 12. Increases from 12 to 13. Percentage change in the income 96 and 117. So 4 and 17, 21 by 96 and 200. That is 7 by 32. 700 out of 32 into 2, that is 64. 60. 2 into cannot do 1 0 to 1, that is 32 and 28, 280 point. 32 into not 10, not 7, 32 into 8. Yes, 32 into 8, 21.8. It was obvious that the answer is 21 point something. So why were you invested in calculating whether it is 0.8 or 0.6 or 0.15 after the decimal? Thomas Salman Khan first increases by 8% and then decreases by 8%. What is the change at 864.64 degrees? It decreases by 50%. Increases by 50% on 25% degrees. Person salary increased by 20%, then increased by 20%. 4% decrease. A number is decreased by 28% and then increased by 28%. The number so obtained is 784 less, so 28. So we calculated that it was 784. That is 7.84%. So 7.84% means 784. So 100. So 1 and 100. 1% is 100. So original number is 1000. 100,000 basically. No, not 100,000. 10,000. Price of Rafale first increased by 16.2 by 3. What is 16.2 by 3? That is 1 by 6. 60. It is not 16.2 by 3. It's 16.66. So 1 by 6 increases. So it goes from 6 to 7. And decreases. That is 7 1 by 7. What is 7 1 by 7? 13? No. I guess it is 13. Yes, it is 13. 50 by 700. 5 by 17. Oh, it is 14. It's 14 to 13. 4 into 84 to 91. Increases by 7 over 84 to 100. 27 by 12. It is 8 2 by something. 50 by 3. Oh, sorry, 25 by 3. So it 1 by 3% of increase. Oh, I am so hungry. Haven't eaten anything yet since morning. What time is it? It is 11:52. So these days I'm on intermittent fasting. Seems like, well, unplanned intermittent fasting. Because since I can remember, I guess from the last 6 months or so, I don't generally eat breakfast. Alright, enough yapping. Let's go back to work. Workers has an increase of 12.1 by 8 to 8 to 9. Wages per hour but drops 10%. 10 to 9. Yo. 80 to 91. Marginal weekly wage per week was 40 hours and is rupees percentage increase. Total weekly wage. This for a week was for a week of 40 hours is 3840. So 40, that means for one it is 960. So 80 into 960 to 91 into 960. So basically it increases 960 into 11 over 80 into 960 into 100. So it is 110 divided by 8. 8 ones are obviously 30. 3s are, it's not 1.3, Answer is either 1.25 or 2. So what is it trying to say here? I understand it till here. What is this? 540. Weekly wage. So what I did is instead of 40 I made it 80, so that it could make sense. It could make sense with 91. What I am doing wrong here? I will have to mark it for future. Increased by 15%. Working hours increased by 15%. 15% is 3 by 20. Yield to 23. His wages per hour increased by 20%. Or it is 5 to 6. Daily earning is 100 to 130, 38%. Why it was asked in CGL Tier 2 again. Will it be why it was or why was it? I guess it will be why was it, because why it was will be an example of inversion, and we use inversion when we are not asking questions, when we are implying something in an interrogative form. So it will be why was it asked in CGL Tier 2 2019. XY is decreased, okay. Value of both the variables x and y, that is 5 to 6 to 25 to 16, so it decreased by 9. So 9 decreased from 9 into 4, that is 36%, and overall decrease of 36%. So watch was reduced by 20%, the number of watch sold is increased by 40%. Price of watch was reduced by 20%, that is 5 to 4. Price and quantity is increased, this becomes 5 to 7. The effect on sales of 25 to the 28, 3 into 4, 12% rise. Let me have some water, Mr. Sakia. Well, I guess it was Mrs. Sakia, not Mrs. Miss Sakia. I'm not going to hit on a married woman. I guess I will have to go home now. How many questions are left? Up. Yep. We'll be going home after 106. A number is first increased by 40%, then decreased by 25%, again increased by... Whoa. 40 and 25. So this is 40, that is 15 minus 4, 10, that is 5%. Yo, it's 25 minus 25 into 40. It is 40 by 4, that is 10, that is 5%. Again increased by 15%. Now it is 20 plus 5 into 15. 15 by 20. 20 plus 3 by 4. This is the... It is what it is. 83 by 4. 4%. Again minus 20 minus 3 by 4 into 20 by 100. 4 5s are 5 20s. Come on, man. 83 by 83%. 85 5 3s are 15. 41 minus 4. Sorry, it's 20. 400 minus into, here it is same, 83 into 83. Yo, अच्छा माइनस में ना डिक्रीज होगा, डिवाइड बाय 20 minus 483. 15 minus 83, 15 minus 83, that is 73. 69 is 20, that is 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3.45 degrees. Okay, percent salary was decreased. This was a good question though. It was a good question. And subsequently increased by 15%, and then again increased by 100%. That is 150% gain of 50%, because from 100 to it becomes 150, and then it becomes 75, and then it becomes 150. Okay, number is first increased by 12% and then increased by 23%. Okay, that is 25 plus something. Oh hell no. 25 plus 230 into 46, 276, 2.76, that is 27.76%. And then it was decreased by 34%. It's 34 minus hell no. 76 minus into 34 divided by 100. Yo, we cannot use digital sum here. So basically the answer is 76, that is 24, 0.24, it becomes 28, now it is 6.24. okay, 34 into 2776, 2776 into 30 plus 4, 27.7, that's 276, 36, 18, 21 at 22, 21 3 2 8 832 plus 4 6 4 24, 8 to 30, 8 or 3 31, 8 or 3 11, 11.111.04, 48349. What the hell is that? Oh, 9.34. 6.24 minus 9.43. What the hell? Bro. is to 27.76, correct? Well, I guess so, because it's 12 and 23, both are increasing. First 12, then 23, so it becomes 25 plus 12 into 23. 12 into 23, 230 and 46, that is 276. 2.76, 27 plus 27.76, and that is absolutely right. 27.76 minus 34, that is 6.24. Let's take out calculator to see where I am going wrong. Calculator पूरा ही काय खोल दिया बे. 12, sorry. Oh no. It is 37.76. Oh no. Into 37.76. 37.76 minus 34 minus 37.76 into 34 100. Yo, I was wrong, bro. I was absolutely wrong here. So I will have to mark it like this. Alright, so we'll make reverse case from tomorrow. But tomorrow first I will be giving the mock test of CBSE, and then I will solve these questions. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. See you guys? Bro, you are talking only to yourself. Who is these guys you are talking about?